Hi everyone, I'm Crystal Reyes, also known as Queen BRZ. This is my new 2017 Subaru BRZ Performance Package, and today I'm going to be installing a Greddy SP Axleback exhaust. So the tools we're going to be using today are a ratchet with a 14mm socket, a wrench, a tool specialty for the hanger. Shit. Okay. So first things first, we have to remove the old exhaust. Okay, so here's where you're going to take your wrench to hold one side steady, and the other side's going to go right in the back here, and you're going to go lefty-loosey, but I ain't got time for that. So we're gonna use our electric. And we're done with one side. Okay, now we have to take the top, do the same thing. Next, we're going to be using our exhaust hanger tool. We are good. Okay, now we have to get the other side. Okay, so I got a little too excited and I took it off already before the camera was rolling. But now this side is off and we are ready for our next step. That one off. You want to make sure that you keep a leg or an arm up so that the exhaust does not fall on you, especially for us tiny ladies. Good. Okay. I'm exhaustless.
Now to show off the new one, right?
So now we're going to be pushing the bushings onto the hangers, and we use some brake lubricant to make that a little bit easier for me. We also just kind of supported these with some Home Depot buckets because, of course, I'm not really a bench presser, so that'd be a little bit difficult to be doing by myself. So let's get started on that. First one, I'm just gonna keep it kind of right there. And these these we're just gonna slide on in. Okay, that one's in. And that one's in. Okay, next one. Okay, we got that one in, and that one's in. Cool. So we had a bit of technical difficulty. Apparently, this exhaust does not fit the 2017 BRZ. So as you can see, the exhaust flanges do not align. And I will show you by putting in one bolt, so you can see exactly what I mean. This will work out. So clearly there's some definite fitment issues, but now it's just a matter of whether or not I want to take this to get fixed. Do I want to get this part taken off and welded to fit my part? So I'll let you guys know what I decide to do. So it looks great on my car. I'm sure it would have sounded greater, but unfortunately it is not a good fit. So stay tuned for what I decide to do next. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe down below. And yeah, stay tuned for more of what I do to my car. Queen BRZ out.